What's going on, everybody? New week, new video, new product. Today we have the Temu PAD 50-3 4-stroke mini dirt bike. Last time we did the video on the 4-stroke mini bike. This week we're doing the mini dirt bike. So we've already done a mini bike video with the 4-stroke. We've already done a video with the 2-stroke small dirt bike. Now we're going to do one with the 4-stroke and see the difference. Now this is one I purchased on Temu, which I'll put up here or down here somewhere. And you'll be able to see what I paid for it, how much you can get it for, and how to get the coupons off Temu. Now, I bought this one with my own money because I want to make sure, and you guys can get it too for the same price. There's no sponsorship, no affiliate on this video. This is just me with my money buying these things for science and for fun, because without you guys, I wouldn't be doing any of this. Here we go. Let's unbox this thing. Let's see how it looks. Okay, first of all, we're going to see what it looks like. Sorry, I have these really thick gloves on because it's super cold outside. So you want to live in New England. And we have another 2 feet of snow coming next week. That's why I'm doing this video today. Okay, here we go. Let's take this thing apart. But first, we have to look at the attention sticker. Attention, please cut off the engine oil pipe strap before driving. Okay, let's unbox this thing. What do y'all think? I think I bought the green and black one, which incidentally is my favorite color. Oh, it is green and black. Look at that. There's the brand, SYX Moto. So we have a decal pack right here. 58cc 4-stroke dirt bike. How exciting. Okay, let's put that on the old Blackstone. Here we go unboxing this thing. What do we got here? Whee! Ooh, this thing looks promising. Some high quality wheels right there. It is definitely not green and black. It is white, but does have the green and black decals. Nice, just wide open fuel tank. Boy, this is gonna need some setup, huh? For the price paid to this bike, I can't be asking for too much. Got some goodies in here. That's a handlebar so we don't bonk our face on it. Styrofoam, need that. What else we got? We gotta get the handlebars on there. Yep, there we go. Let's get these handlebars on here. Ooh, that's 4-stroke. You can feel it. All right, this is good so far. Can't forget about this. Okay, there's one. Okay, we're gonna flip this upside down. What is this? Toolkit. All right, look at these amazing tools we got here. I think this is a 14. I think that's right. Okay, 14 as well. I need this. I'm gonna need this. I don't need this, but I'm gonna need these for sure. I know it. Why would they do this? Oh, I see. I see what they're driving at. Okay, let me pull that out of there. Old Temu review, huh? Making stuff happen. Looking good. Through this world, God has blessed me with good looks, not necessarily the smarts. It's done for other people who can edit better than me. You know, we can't have it all sometimes. Yeah, good enough. Woo! That's what they gave us this for. A guide of the wrong thing to do. Ha ha! Ha ha! We have it! Ah! There it is! We have a full built bike. The Temu oil bottle has made a comeback. A little bit of oil in the bad boy right there. We have to just do under half of this. Uh-oh, I'm getting alerts. We're prepared for significant snowfall Monday, along with extreme cold. Ooh, a little more than that. Anyways, let's take a look at this oil level. Ah, look at that. Oil level right where it should be. There it is, the SYX Moto 4-stroke 58cc mini dirt bike. And we are going to take this out and we're going to try it. Okay, we are going to try to turn this on. A little bit of workout. Oh! Oh! We have life! We have life! Here she is. Let's get it out. Let's see how this thing performs. Oh, it smells like Temu. Look at how small. Look at it. Woo! Everybody, are you ready? Gentlemen, start your engines. Oh my God, it's a foot of snow! Woohoo! I hate to break it, everybody. very fast. All right, here we go. Oh, a good old foot of snow. Oh, woo! Whoa! Whoa! Off a jump! All right, let's burn out. Oh, not strong enough. I don't think that's how you're supposed to use these things. But first, okay, speedometer works. My guess is 15 miles an hour. Okay, let's go. Here we go. Woo! This ain't cooking. We're cooking. Woo! Wheelie. Wheelie. All right, let's turn around. All right, I'm lucky. If I'm lucky, I'll make it up the hill. We're doing it. Barely. Woo! We're wheeling it. Wheelie. Wheelie. We're making it up the hill. It's going. It's not going fast. Come on, baby. Woo! Okay. Here we go. Off-road. Whoa! Look at this thing go. Whoa! Whoa! Come on! Whew! This is cool for what it is, but it is not made for a 200-pound man. I will tell you, however, for what it is, this is so cool because you have a bike that's powerful enough, 4-stroke, so you don't need to mix the gas, and it's actually really fun. I think we have a ding-ding winner for the price. However, this thing has got about the same amount of power as a e-bike. So it's like, what do you choose? Do you choose the e-bike with a pedal? Or do you choose a dirt bike? It's got internal combustion engine. It's got some power for what it is. And it's got that brat breath. Don't you guys want to train your next of kin, your nieces and nephews, your kids, how to drive an actual dirt bike? How internal combustion actually works? You just hear that rum rum and this thing. Who doesn't want a brat breath, huh? Who doesn't want that? What do we think the top speed is? My guess is 18 miles an hour. I was faster than I thought. Oh my goodness. Are you seeing that? 23 miles an hour? I mean, granted, we were going down a hill. That is still so cool. 23 miles an hour on this thing? Oh, you know what, guys? 8 out of 10, 4 out of 5 stars, 100%. And you know the reason why? Is you get to teach your kids, you get to teach your nieces and nephews, your friends' kids. Who doesn't want to teach their kids about that? I think there's a lesson to be learned about these bikes. They're perfect for the price. Again, the price is listed right here. How are you going to go wrong with this price at that entry-level standpoint? And to teach your kids, listen, this thing's got everything you need outside of some gear shifting, but guess what? You get to have a good time enjoying this with them. You know what, everyone? 4 out of 5 stars. The only reason why I don't give it a perfect score is it's still got that issue. I wish I had a little bit more power. For 60 cc's, feels a little weak, but you know what? This is a good entry-level spot for your 3 to 8-year-old, somewhere around that. I gotta say, I'm very impressed with this, everyone. This is better than a mini bike. This is better than a 2-stroke dirt bike. This is about the best thing you can get off Temu for the price, and I will stand by that. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching this video. I had a good time, even with a foot of snow out here, or six inches to a foot of snow in certain spots. We at least had some fun going down the road, driving back up, doing some donuts with it, and I hope you all enjoyed this video. I am super impressed with the SYX Moto 60cc dirt bike. You can't go wrong with getting one of these. Get one of these off Temu. This is so far one of the best, if not the best buy you can get off Temu as far as it goes with the dirt bike. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment, like and subscribe for more content, and I'll just keep buying it. You know what? I'm having a good time with this channel, and I really do appreciate you all watching this. Take it easy, everyone. We will see you in the next one.